on slim tyres was a 2-minute 0.683.9. That was 9 seconds behind Marc Marquez, was out on the full rain tyres. Valentino Rossi on that last lap, a 1:57.5, 2.4 seconds behind Marc Marquez, is absolutely lashing down now.